In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change website layout in Durable AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reshape your pages, tweak the look and feel, and use AI to speed up your design work. Once you're in the editor, the quickest way to adjust the layout is to click directly on any section, your header, banner, or a content block. That opens the editing panel for that specific section. Here, you can switch the layout, fine-tune alignment, change the background, or remove the section entirely if it no longer fits your design. As you make adjustments, you'll notice updates happen instantly. This real-time editing helps you see exactly how each change affects the page without waiting or guessing. If you want a fresh look without rebuilding from scratch, use the Regenerate option within that section's menu. This tells the AI to create a new layout just for that part of the page. It's great for testing variations quickly. If the result isn't quite right, simply regenerate again, until the structure feels on brand and easy to navigate. When you need to expand your page, select Add Section. This is where you can bring in new elements like galleries, contact forms, or maps. Adding a section changes the overall structure of your page, helping you tell your story in a more organized way. Think of each section as a building block. Combine the right blocks and your layout will guide visitors naturally through your content. By the way, if you want to try Durable AI yourself, you'll find a link at the very top of the description so you can jump straight into the editor. For broad site-wide changes, head to Customize near the top left corner. This opens your global settings. Here you can switch the overall template, adjust color palettes, and set your fonts. Global changes keep your branding consistent across every section and page. Use the section editor for local tweaks and the Customize area for universal style decisions. If your page still doesn't feel cohesive, you can instruct the AI to regenerate the entire page. This is a powerful reset when you want a unified layout and style without manual rework. Before you wrap up, make sure to save your changes. Saving ensures your edits are preserved when you exit the editor, and it's the easiest way to avoid redoing work later. That's it. Click to edit sections, use Regenerate for quick variations, add new sections to shape your structure, and lean on Customize for global polish. Thanks for watching.